Honorable MP Maharaja Leishemba Sanajaoba ngarang zero hour gi matamda minute amuk oigadra na khali saurangna maduda mahakna ngangkibasi Kabow Valley gi matang sida mahakna hanjanna masi Jawaharlal Nehru na pithombani even give aibo wai si oxygen nei pithombani Congress na masi gi daita pugadabani haibana singba masida kamain tawna Jawaharlal Nehru na give pirambano kamain tawna pirami hairibano haibana singbai matang se open debate ama tawna si aidana I invite Togari. Hiriba Brahmana Manipur getting told compensation. P. Harise, Aina Pangbody source of some knowledge in Matumina, Sam the Sama Lali, Aduga Loyana Mahna Sigumba, Pigi Bagi documents, Sang Lady, Mayangi, research scholars in the people, Prazagi, mid my whenever Putokpir O, have weapons in Masu 8 times again.
I see MPCC officer, press conference, Sama. Sinbasida, mentioned print and electronic media, Sinau to the Mapu, MPCC, my Kay, welcome to Jerry. Asigi press conference, Simaruina, Quiggy Narang, Ibutare, Rajya Sabha MP, Leishemba Sanajaoba, Rajya Sabha, Manipur Kabow Valley, Nehru Matamda, Quiggy Myanmar Ibutare. Matamdugi Burma the Pithombani Habagi Matang, Miss Minama Tangi, but the Gimatanga, Quiggy, as she press conferences, a Yeta Pambiba, Quiggy, respected Sri Hareshwar Goshwami, Vice President, MPCC, and the spokesperson, Mana, as she Madi Matang the clarification of the Madi Matang the reality Habitare, a Toguk, a Shenba, Kabow Valley Marie with document, Matiksawa, documents in the Loin Tambigani, Hareshwar Goshwami, the Matan the Pambiva, MT Bohidu Raman, General Secretary, MPCC, Adga Zoishan Koho, President NSUI, I myself, Dr. Ravi Khan, spokesperson, MPCC, and I extreme left of Pambiva, Professor Chandra Kumar, spokesperson, MPCC. Sir, please take your time.
Mayam Punamapo, Yang Namukan, welcome to Jerry, print Tamasung, electronic media, getting now Kudimapu, Loinana, I got Pamina Riva, a collection. Ujik Taurangna, Advocate Ravi Khana Tambikre, Kui Nasigi press conference, Mapungoina, Rajya Sabha, Honorable MP, Maharaja Leishemba Sanajaoba, Arang, zero hour gi matamda, minute amuk oigadra na khali saurangna. Maduda mahakna ngangkibasi Kabow Valley gi matang sida mahakna hanjanna masi Jawaharlal Nehru na pithombani even give aibo wai si oxygen nei pithombani Congress na masi gi daita pugadabani haibana singba mamangda su hanjanna masi gi matangda koi press conference tawduna mayamda su pawdum jagrabani masigumba hanjanna hanjanna Masi Kari Haini Magisu source leramba yai Honorable MP wana Parliament kumba forum amada adu mapam amada ngangak pai basi panglai library uram da yai adu so far our knowledge is concerned mak na ngangi badu ayambana haiba tare loina ma haidraga su ayambana chamada 90% hen na choiraba adumba wafamni haibadu ai thamjage adu maki source lerga su maksu puthoroksanu aikoi open debate tawjage koi ngangna jage masida kamain tawna Jawaharlal Nehru na give pirambano kamain tawna pirami hairibano haibana singbai matang se open debate ama tawna si aidana ai mangonda su ai invite tawjari ihalan bada magi allegation si magi du taru rakana mapung moyo point khara kaktang ayak matam sangna logdana ba thamjage Pandit Nehru gifted away Kabow Valley of Manipur to Burma on 3rd March 1953 in Haibani. 3rd March 1953 so far our knowledge is concerned, Pandit Nehru Manipur da lakhidi. Manipur da Pandit Nehru na lakpa date thidi aina mayam da su madugi magi tour program doi thamjage. Akoi National Archives dagi kai dagi phangba tour program chi. Mang lakibasi ahan boina 23rd October dagi na 24th October 1952 bo amalai. Adugi matungda 28 March dagina 31st March 1953 bo amalai mana kamain tawdana 3rd March ta haribano mado mai mistake oiba na tara kayumba mana study tawbada honor ambasu yai adu baina thamjaningi di asugyamna chawba forum amada stage amada phibam amada mahakna adugumba parliament ki level to the wangang wada sigumba chronological sigumba aran ba error na singba se masi kharadi munna kupna yenghanjaningi mahakna 3rd March ta lakhiba 1953 da hi thaman da anirak Nehru lakpor magadi mai leina ba che chang puthokpiro akoi su madu khangdabu du khangje hoge dana ya ahamda thamja Pandit Nehru na Kabow Valley gift pithoki hai Pandit Nehru natti gift pitho isidi Manipur gi 1813 dagi na 1819 bokta pan giba margit ningthona Brahma da chalakanda Brahma gi ningthogda Kabow Valley gift pithoiba mahaki adugumba mapa mapu sing oiruba hoi mapa puna tawramba aranba du machana phangani natraga aduni hana haiba du makti ai amadura thajaba leijade adubu aina haijaningi di mingonda blame tawdringaida masi kamain tawrambano karino kanan tawrambano haibase hana yenganjaningi haiba potu mathamjage haiba potsi akoi ining thau gambhir singha gi matamda su chaitharon kumbabada yam phajana masi yawdana dum leiri kari haina haige hai matamda ai matem tangdi kitang yam important oiba hanjal lanjanna dum hai bokda dum hanjal lanjanna oidaba mayam ama sajanna mayam ama nataga akoi gi primary source oidaba haidare lari khara lei akoi ni ibada so dum jawi secondary source yawdaba nate adubu primary source dai nataba asigumba parliament gumba mafam amadadi primary source dagi nganganjaningi masida Maharaj Gambhir Singha su masida yaye bache chaitharon kumbabada aikhogi page 244 da dum jawi yamten pajage sang lojoroi matam tarawndo nilaya kokoda Kolkata dagi board sahib na awada ipanda leba mi bulo unaba mafam leitre haiduna haijarure ga na tension jarge ko madugi mamandi kung khudingda tangkha kumadi sahini 500 na akhogi thagi oiduini tha 33 gi oiduini 6000 pirage haibabu Sirijuk Maharaj na yaraktuna Kiran captain sahib kaptan sahib se captain sahib oiduini Pemton sahib na singba da awada lambi ba chatli hai Pemton je prem akoi Pemberton sahib oiduini khoina meitei na samjala ga ahlam na haibo oigani swain tawdana sisu chaitharon kumbabada Gambhir Singha masamang na su haiba potsi gi matangda maduda akoi yare si piraga paisa je kum khuding si piraga aidana hoi ma sandokpagi phibum do rumbe good phet to rumbe upai leitabo rumbe aduna topa ma thamraga aya thamjaning adi samain tawdana mamang dagi hongna blame tawba khotpa aduna pirami adana pirami adu tawbani haina tawbagi potu najade yam sathiba allegation nama akoi tawra abanina sengdoktaba yadaba praja miyam da misleading oiba Naharon Hogolay sing the misleading oiba, Sigma Potsi, Yam dangerous oiba Haidare was a key present context dadi. Haidiba, Nehru na Pirami, Haidiba, Kabow Valley, Tasingadi, Mayam Kangbi, 1834 the Pivani. 1834 the Jawaharlal Nehru ki Mapa di Liar na Madho, Gangadhar Nehru si, say Tadeka Tangai. Adu Matandu Nehru na Pitomi, Haidiba, Haidiba Potse. Aduna Sigumba, Aranba, allegation singsi, akoi ahan bagi allegation adu ani su da Kabow Valley compensation se mana hairi si compensation si Brahmana Manipur da pibani hairi Brahmana Manipur da piba kayumba Brahmana Manipur da compensation pibo oramadi ai Kabow Valley gi matangda sigi matangda amo na pudsi gi ngangaroi Brahmana Manipur compensation pibagi wa laigi de haiba Kabow Valley ki compensation sidi agreement regarding Kabow Valley ni ahambagi si agreement regarding the Kabow Valley sina 9 January 1834 dani masi pira matung jida Gambhir Singha do chaitharon kumbabada atai laik sina di masa nabagi leitabane swai mi khramna di mathwai nungai mandadana Haiba Numitida Masi, heartfelt original later when Haibasu Yauni, subject to confirmation. Haiba 9 January, she does trying to Kabow Valley, Pitokre Tavasida, Nabagi Oiro, Amo Roma later. Later, Matungi the Kadoge, the British Singina, Laiba British Grand Cup Pemberton Gase, Mo East India Company, officer Atani, my ancient Kangirangani. Makoina Kari Toga Kanda, as Manipur Prasing Yam Pian Ramane, and Togi, Pian Ramane, Habigi Wakolon, Oiganena Kali, Madudi 9 January da Kabow Valley Piraga, 25 January, Heidi same January Tajida, 25, 19, 25, some 14 days, more Ibrats Oranga. Sigi Lady Madam Stay the Kari Toga, agreement regarding compensation of Kabow Valley, 25 January 1834. ahan without compensation ne compensation je piba matamda kai toge hai matamda supreme government na hai British government na pibani hai ba compensation je kadai da sign tawna ge hai matamda ai madugi document do habet mayam da di thamjage torakna sigi document si ayakna National Archives of India dagi moi dagi lobo document ni makhasi aina lobo date 27 August 2018 da collect torpani masida the agreement regarding masai compensation of Kabow Valley yauri masida by Supreme Government to grant a monthly stipend of 500 Sika rupees to the Raja of Manipur. Supreme Government means British government na pibani Burma na never Manipur ki Raja da compensation pigiba leite mai exam thamjage haiba sina National Archives na pirpa adu mamoi masamang na adagi issue tawra pirpa adu document ni next yauri sina akhoi atitsan gi ate source collection of treaties and engagement and sanats na singbada yaw phongba jamane siga ate cross check tawni moi ada lei siga ina next yaw sina mase moi ni lokthokpa yade haibani moi di copy tawra pibani adu bo akhoi ni any how tawdana mobile tawra mase kapaga masa zoom tawra namaga soi tawni gi bagi agreement dugi adumba Burmese maron da su iba adumba ate lon da su iba kadi mek chengdre adumba document sida su high river document high river 9 January da hujiki akon bagi compensation di langthaban da tong nei ada akhoi gi ningthi turen na pan da tong adi ahan bagi matang du di ningthi turen na pan da towi maramaduna high river compensation ji tension labada Brahmana Manipur da Kabow Valley gi compensation pi gi ba leite British na Manipur da Brahma khangbra khangdabra khangde British na Manipur da compensation pi bani adubu akhoi honorable MP Leishemba Sanajaoba na hairiba Brahmana Manipur gi ningthouda compensation pi hairise aina phangba resource amasung knowledge matungina sama lale aduga loin mahakna sigumba pi gi bagi document che sang lerdi mayam gi research scholars gi people gi praja gi mit mai hoinaba puthokpir u haiba wafam semasu ai thamjage aduga magi akon bagi yamna maruiba akhoi gi mahaki adumba allegation se Nehru ignored the terms of agreement of Treaty of Yandaboo 1826 the sign tongni gi ba Treaty of Yandaboo se Nehru ne ignore tawi hai adu Treaty of Yandaboo dadi mayam copy su adum jawke mayam su loi phangbiba ngaktani Treaty of Yandaboo dadi masida yawise second Manipur with regards to Manipur haiga Manipur gi Maharashtra na Manipur gi ningthau oige hairagadi oiba yagani haiba potu degi na atai amata Treaty of Yandaboo gi sida thengnade masida Treaty of Yandaboo da Kabow Valley gi compensation gi matang chama yaude karigumba cham masida karigumam Treaty of Yandaboo gi asugumba terms da Kabow Valley gi matang da compensation gi matang da mana ignore tawi kholi na hariba Nehru ignored the terms of agreement of Treaty of Yandaboo 1826 leiramagadi puthokpiro aihat na karumna puthokpiragadi ai Kabow Valley gi matang da amuna wangang masigi matang Treaty of Yandaboo do sugyau cross check tawre National Archives te yenge document mayam jenge ai here said natraga secondary source tagi haijaba nati aduna hariba potse masi leite maduna sidahai si with regard to Manipur article 2 da it is stipulated that should Gambhir Singh desire to return to that country, he shall be recognized by the king of Abha as Raja thereof. Abhagi Brahmagi ningthowina khangani haiba pot si khaktani aduna maruiba allegation aina mayamda mana thamiba pot singche loinamak date tagi hauraga mathang ma laiba mayam si yengurakanda kanana gift tokthomбано kaino haibana singbase akhoi matamdura parliament ningthouksing amasung British na Kabow Valley se pithombani akhoi Jawaharlal Nehru na pithomba leite haibase thamjaraga aroi boina larik khar lei laik tugi pandi panjaning da bani pandabadi yadaba in circulation da leiba mayam na su angang sing chatra sing na su kaina su reference ti loraga maduda base toraga hojiki hayo potsi adum haidan leiba karamba larik no hai kanda ai director maming na singbadi ke panjaroi Kabow Valley a brief history ga na leiba aduga adogeda time to revisit akhoi Kabow Valley agreement kaina Sangai Express ta phonggiba ko aduga atopa larik khara haidare sigumba ahum mari khak in circulation da leiri Masida Makoina Karamba source the Havano Kangde, Nasage, Kabow Valley, Nehru Pitoki when I say, like a new home city, high say secondary source, Oganana Kali, Maramdi primary source to in a Putok Vanina. Aduna Aina Tamjaningidi, last question, last Nasigi Lokalokada, Aina Tamjaning, but say, Atay Nate, Madudi Karino Haikanda. Kabow Valley, Jawaharlal Nehru 1953 the Pitoki Hiragadi. Manipur in 1949 the Manipur India the merged over. Merged over the Kabow Valley Yaubra. Merger agreement to the Kabow Valley Yaubra Hizariba. Mani Adu the Yawamata Gadi Kabow Valley the Kogi administrative posting Karising Amama administration level talked about. 1949 Kabow Valley Mana 1953 the Pitu Hagadi 49 the Gina 53 Hoki gap Sida Kabow Valley Equigi Oibra Hibasichu Kanga Singna Yang View Tana View Loyal Loyana Manipur Nasagi Manipur Administration Order 1949 and 15 October 1949 the Manipur Election Bagi Order to 21st September 1949 the Manipur merger agreement Choi Tonerga Nasagi Tabuk Oina Pangthore 15 October 1949 the Oire. High the definition I wish the Manipur I wish the high say in this order Manipur means the whole of the area which immediately before the commencement of this order is comprised within the state of Manipur. Manasi, the orders in 1949. The Masidi the Manipur gi Hujika Kabow Valley area say Yawi Wapamja Amata Tenga Deva. Aduna Kamain Todana Nehruna 1953 the Kabow Valley Pitoka do you know High Wapam Simasu Mayang Mapamdai Tamjage Loya Loyana Kabow Valley Magi Nasagi compensation Piram do Kamain to Kre Kaido Kre Adom the days hang a D Laxeroy Matam Jaina Sang a lower money. Maram the Karino Hamatamda High Basi Equigi Adubu Kitang Matiam Tandingasi Mai Matang the Kabow Valley Matang in a complete in our Matiam Tandi Panjage. Eastern frontier of India are Pemberton Avisi Magi Larixi Equina primary source nil loaner. Mana Hivada Manipur Levy Sembagi expenditures Bidisna Putoe. Adu Gambir Singer later Matung Dadi high big expenditures in a Kabow Valley Bidisna Pini Aiba expenditure do Aduga Adjustoni Havama Ujika Pemberton Gavi Pemberton 2000 publication is PS 48 Yauri Hizaribako. Aduga Atopa Amana Manipurna India the Pundinga. High India, British Sakakanda, Yakoi Manipur, India, the Punjing, the Kabow Valley compensation, the India government Manipur, the pyramid is Chumeva. Adubu was the pyramid of Port Karma Mong, the command pyramid of Pemberton, Mamangi, the D, Nomai Kujukulai, Pibegi, Korpegi, Adugi, Azastone, and even later. Adugi Makaze, pyramid, Karma Mong, the pyramid, no receipt labor, Korpadum, nothing but Sodum Lane, Tenabasudum Jawi. Adubu, Manipur 1949, the India, the Pulavanina. Projecting aside India, the Punjing at the Indiana Manipur, British Ki Mouch Logo in a Piramba compensation. Indiana, India, the compensation, P. Hidra Highway question, a rice togi in a Kalev. Highway Manipur part of India, Oigreva. Maramaduna, budget ki Karigi, a provision the Karida, Kamain Toguno, Highway to Kamain Togi, have to the grey area, Kitang Lay, Kamain adjustment Togi no Highway. Kabow Valley Pitopagi Nateko compensation do Kamani adjust Togi, Hagi Matan to the Akanga, Mayam Tangana Puna Ticket Minaraga Madu, Akoi Kamuna, have a hit Tamjage, Aduga. Quite a lord, Siki timing to the Kabow Valley, how do easy. Must say Kabow Valley is a to Manipur Palm, 20 Manipur area, Hypet or Manavani. Adusuna Kanda, Lady Wuziki present crisis. Aduga Indiagi Ladyba, Toreba, Sunakanda Ladyba. Sagangi reason sing kari sing si Kanosida Hena Park Chauba Mizorangi Chief Minister Nangangi Koleba Siama India the Punava Konavagi Matang timing today the Kabow Valley Matang Hogdor Pase. Kabow Valley is a quick Pamagasu Matang Zabra Zadabra Natagam hidden agenda Labazala have a hung the Wangam Deva. Madam the Equigi Tilino Mayamama. Amagi Wanati. As one the Mayamama told the lady, Brahma, lady, Taiko, covered the Gitavani. Sunakana, Queen Kabow Valley demanded Tingatari Hengalaga, Brahmana, Sunakan get Takai, never Toribara, Kari Toribano, Highway to the Aina, the Hivangamdre, hypothesis, Bhavna Savani, Adu, Hiva Tanzasi, the Siraba, Manipuri Luruba, Ishumayamate, they put Putopadi Toga, Putotraga, Kabow Valley, Takla Langelapase, Masimadi, Mayam, Lambo Gera, Jumbo Gera, Masimadi, a timing the Zadabra, I was in Masu Tamjage, Aduna, I quay. अरोइबदा हाइजनिंगिसी कवो बेलीगुम्बा सेंसिटिव ओइबे इशूसिदा पॉलिटिकलाइज तोबिगनु पॉलिटिक्स तोबिगनु अखोई पुन्ना डॉक्यूमेंट चे चांग थिदोकमिनरगा असेंबा अचुम्बा अखोइगी लाइक अमा पुथोक्तुना मियामदा भाव तामिननबा अखोइ होनसी तामिनसी अफबा नुंगाइबा याइफबा मणिपुर अमा सेमिनसी हाइबो वाफमजे थमजगे टेंशन जगे थैंक यू